how to go live on YouTube. That's what we're going to be doing today. So what I want you to do is open your web browser. Mine is Google Chrome. So while that loads up, I'm going to be heading right up here to the top to the URL. And I'm going to type in youtube.com. Once that comes up, I'm going to be going right here to where it says create a video or post. I'm going to click on that. While you click on that, it's going to give you this option where it says go live. And that's what we're going to be working with today, going live. So click going live. So when you get here, once you click on webcam, we got to add a title. It won't let you start it if you don't add a title. So I'm just going to put title. Next, we're going to go down here where it says public. We're going live to the world, so we want it to public. Anyone could see. We could have unlisted or private. The main one for going live is public, so you're going to select that. Down here, this option, depending on your audience, you want to make sure that you select it's not for kids. If you select it's for kids, you're not going to get your chat box. Momentarily, something is going to fill in right here. Your chat box is going to fill in right here. So I'm going to click not for kids. But depending on your audience, if it's for kids, you select yes, it's for kids. But the chat box won't come up. The live chat won't come up. I'm going to click no. Next, we're going to go down to more options. This is for people that have multiple webcams or mic, right? I want to make sure that I'm not forgetting them. So if you have multiple mics or webcams or cameras, you're going to click more options. And this option comes, it gives you this option to come down here and select your webcam. And you see, you could select whichever webcam you want to select. Same thing with the mics, it's giving you more options. I'm just going to go back up here to this top where it says add description. So add a description is what you're talking about or what your video is about. Definitely fill it out. It's great for your video. I normally do educational stuff. I'm an educator, so I select education. But for most people, you're going to select the category that your video pertains to. So mine is education, so I'm going to select education. Next, I'm going to click the button next. It's going to ask you to smile for a thumbnail. So if it's off of your webcam, you say cheese, and it's going to take a picture. But mine's, I want to upload a custom thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select upload custom thumbnail, and I'm going to slide this down. I'm going to select my thumbnail. Right? Once that's done, this is my setup. I'm ready to go. Right? All I need to do is click on this button where it says go live. But what I was talking about earlier with the chat, you see how the chat box came up right here? This is what you want if you want live chat. So definitely keep that in mind. If you want a live chat where you could interact with the audience to take questions and have that live chat feature, you definitely need to click no when it asks is the content for kids, and this comes up. So keep that in mind. But this is all you need to how to go live on YouTube. Thank you. And remember to like, share this video, and even subscribe. Thank you. And stay tuned for more videos.